Hey guys, Shahe here with SK Customs. So this is a Lexus IS250, and we replaced the in-dash unit in here with a Pioneer. It does Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This thing is sick. It's got your digital climate controls now. All touchscreen, dual defroster, rear defroster. This thing is really nice. We're able to replace the radio in it. Hazards still remain. Airbag functionality is still the same. This is great. It's an awesome piece. I'm very happy with the outcome. Turned out really nice. Looks factory, looks OEM. Sounds great. We ended up doing a 4-channel amp in here, as well as a sub amp, Alpine. And yeah, thank you for watching.